Hey, it's Dan Diggler. I'm in Detroit for the next 2 days, so decided to take a walk down the Riverwalk. And I'm out here because I'm meeting with clients and prospects, having some meetings. And one thing I ended up talking about today was the Pareto principle or Pareto rule. Maybe you know it as the 80-20 rule. And believe it or not, in marketing, I apply this, quite frequently, actually in two ways, and today I'm just going to talk about one of them. Tomorrow I'll talk about the other, but the first is in terms of identifying what I should be focusing on in terms of my marketing mix. We have so many channels available to us, from email to content marketing to social media, advertising, email, etc., over and over. JV programs, partnerships, distribution channels. The list goes on like crazy, but our teams are only so big. We can only do so much work, and we really need to focus in on those channels that really produce the most results. And so as I work with clients with analytics, one thing we're able to do is really focus in on which channels are providing the most results. And the one thing that I see time and time again is that the Pareto principle holds true, that there's 20% of the channels are providing 80% of the results. And it's amazing what you can do when you focus in on just that 20% of channels. You get so much more time to get better at those channels and increase your results. And when you actually shed away the other 80%, you're able to think better and focus and build a real community and communicate with your customer and with clients in a way that helps drive real results. So what I challenge you to do is look at your analytics, look at your reports and your results, and determine what's the 20% of things that I do that drive 80% of my results. Can I drop that 80% so that I can spend more time working on the things that matter and drive bigger results for my organization? I'm Dan Diggler. Thanks for joining me for another Ain't No April Fool. I'll see you tomorrow.